So this is the Colmi V73 smartwatch, and Colmi is a very good brand at a very low price. That's what they're offering, and this is one of them. Now this one's got a 60 Hz of AMOLED screen display and always on display as well. The screen itself, like the glass, having an anti-fingerprint coating, but even though when I do like that, I can see my fingerprints, but not up to that extent. It's still visible. The body itself is alloy, with the strap which I have ordered is the nylon strap. I don't have any of the smartwatch having nylon straps, so this one I went to go with the nylon strap. So basically, if you don't like it, there's also silicone option. Now looking at the back side of the watch, there are all the health sensors, that is the ppm, SpO2, and the main feature, that is the blood pressure monitoring. Not sure how well that works, but it's got the feature. Charging pins at the bottom and a speaker hidden above. Now at the side you will see a small mic and two buttons. The crown looks like a rotating crown, but it isn't. It's just a normal crown with a button. Now to pair with this watch, you need a Colmi Fit app. Basically it's available in iOS and Android, and this watch got a Bluetooth 5.1, IP67 rated, so yeah, water and dust resistant. It's got all the health except ECG, as I stated earlier. The blood pressure monitoring sensor is also in this. The smartwatch also offers 100 plus of sports mode, so all the sports are also in there. It's also got an AI voice assistant, but it's not that up to the mark. And also, last thing, the smartwatch also offers Bluetooth calls. So yeah, you can have a conversation with anyone using the smartwatch. Finally, the battery, it's got a 250 mAh battery, lasting about 5 days typical, and 60 days of standby. That's what they claim. I never tried that, but that's what they say. And color options is you got 3: black, gold, and pink, and with the further option of silicone strap or a nylon one. So price range, right now there's an offer going on till 8th of October. So the smartwatch price is at around $20, and if you want to purchase after that date, it's going to cost you about 25 or 26 bucks. So that's it. And the smartwatch is only available in Chinese market, but if you go to AliExpress, a link is there in the description for you guys to go there and purchase. I'm pretty sure it can deliver to you wherever you are in the world. Well, that's all for the Colmi V73. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up. Subs to this channel will be very grateful, right? So catch you guys in the next one.